If you want to offer a free trial on Whop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set up a free trial on your product so new customers can try it before they pay. This is a great way to boost conversions, reduce hesitation, and give people a risk-free way to experience what you offer. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Whop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log in to whop.com and open your dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and click on Products. This is where all of your existing products live, and it's also where you can create new ones if you haven't set one up yet. Now, select the product you want to add a free trial to. If you're starting fresh, you can click Create Product and build a new one from there. After you've opened the product, scroll down until you find the pricing section. This is where Whop lets you control how customers are billed, and it's the key area for turning on a free trial. Before you go any further, make sure the billing frequency is set to recurring. That's important because free trials are only available for subscription-based products. If your product is set to a one-time payment, you won't see the free trial option working the way you need it to. Once recurring billing is selected, look for the free trial toggle. You should see an option to switch it on, and that's exactly what you want to do. Turn that toggle on and then set the trial duration. Whop usually lets you choose common trial lengths like 3 days, 7 days, or 30 days, but depending on your setup, you may also be able to enter a custom number of days. Pick the duration that makes the most sense for your offer. If your product needs a little more time to show value, a longer trial may work better. If you want to create urgency and faster conversions, a shorter trial can be a better choice. Take a moment to review everything before saving. Make sure the correct product is selected, the billing frequency is recurring, and the free trial length is exactly what you want. This small check can save you from setting up the wrong pricing structure and having to go back later to fix it. When everything looks good, click Save Product at the bottom of the page. That's the final step. Once you save, your Whop product will be updated with the free trial settings, and new customers will be able to start their trial according to the duration you chose. And that's it. You now know how to offer a free trial on Whop in just a few steps. If you found this useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.